Hi, this is the YouTube channel for Math Contest Go Go Go. What I want to do for this channel is to build a platform for math lovers in order to make them discuss about different kinds of math problems. I will update a video about challenging problems every day. If you would like, please subscribe below. Now, let's begin. Hi, I'm back again. This time, we are going to talk about some calculus problem, which the sources from 2016, question 5 and question 6, AP Calculus AB. So, this is how question 5 works. It is required to find the average value of the funnel in the range where height is this. We are going to apply the average value theorem. It is a correct name to call it, but it doesn't matter. So the value of this on the interval AB. If it is asked you to find the average value of something, of a continuous function at an interval of this thing, AB, the formula will be this. So in this case, the function will be, we substitute these two values in. 1, 10, 0, 10. Function is this. 3 plus h squared. So in this case, we put this into here based on the based on this, based on this. So after that, we get the function formula of this. We apply the function. We apply this. Applying this, we get this. 3. So in this case, we get this is equals to 3h. This is equals to this. Then we use the fundamental theorem of calculus, which is the last step of the code. We are going to apply this. 3 and we get this part is equals to this. And we times it by 1 over 200. And we get the answer is this. So this is the answer of the first problem, which is 109 divided by 60. The second problem we are going to do is that we are going to find the volume of the funnel. How are we going to do this? Well, so we know that finding the volume of something with the shape, we have this formula, right? So in this case, if we are going to calculate this funnel, we originally will use this, r squared. And in this case, what does r refer to? R refers to 1 divided by 20, 3 plus h squared. So we substitute the R value in. And we are able to find the next following respective formula, which should be look like this. (120) times 3 plus h square. So it is equals to this. Sorry, not 110. 140 then it is 3h square of this. And in this case, it will be looking like this. 400 9 plus h to the power of 4 plus 6 to the power, yes. So this will be the current equation we get. Now what we do next is we, using this formula, we take this out, which we get this. Pi divided by 400, 0, 10, 9 plus h, 4 plus 6h squared. So in this case, what do we get? So we use the dividing rule and we divide each one out. So the first one has the integral of 9h. The second one has this. And the third one has this. And you then use the fundamental theorem of calculus, which you substitute 10 in. And you use this to time this. It will be the final answer, which the final answer will be equals to this. Third problem, and the last problem of this question. So what does this problem require? This problem requires, chain rule. So in this case, let's read the problem. The funnel contains liquid that is draining from the bottom. At an instant when the height of the liquid is h is equal to 3, the radius of the surface is decreasing at the rate of 1/5. So you can make a formula of this by adding a dr over dt, which is decreasing rate here. And this equals to, you add something up, it is equals to here. And in this case, it is asking for the rate of change of the height of the liquid with respect to time. Let's repeat it again. Rate of change of the height of the liquid with respect to time. So we add the dH by dt here. So from the question, we know that dr over dt is equals to negative 1/5. Well, this is really important that this will be only reduced to this. It is a common error is to write it as this. Like it's an error that I have made, like while I prepare. And from here, you also need to do the same thing, which is making the 2h. 2h is originate from here, and this gets disappeared. So you are going to left with this. And since from the problem we know that h is equals to 3, and we are going to know that this side is going to be 3 divided by 10. And this side is going to be, we are required to find this. I forget this here. So we require to find this as the right side and this as the left side. So we use the function and we can able to solve the problem easily, which dh over dt is equals to -2 divided by 3. So the rate of change of the height of the liquid with respect to time, and we add the unit is inch per second. Yes. So this is the final answer for this. In fact, problems, they have many solutions, and my solution is only a part of them. If you have more challenging solutions, please comment below. And don't forget, I will also post my problems there. See you tomorrow!